Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix the partner monetization policies on Instagram. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys right here, the first thing that you need to do guys is review Instagram's partner monetization policies. So before attempting to fix the issue, make sure you're familiar with the partner monetization policies. Instagram's policies cover various areas such as community standards. Your content must adhere to Instagram's guidelines regarding violence, harassment, hate speech, etc. Content monetization policies ensure your content is original and complies with the copyright laws. Eligibility, you must meet the minimum follower count, engagement rate, and content criteria for monetization features. You can review the policies on Instagram's official site under the monetization policy section. Second, identify the violation or issue. Instagram will usually notify you if you're not compliant with the monetization policies. Here is how to check for issues. First of all, go to your Instagram profile and tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Then select Settings and Privacy. Then scroll down and tap on Creator or Business if you have a business account. Select Monetization Status to see if there are any warnings or violations. If there is an issue, Instagram will provide details such as the type of violation and etc. Resolve content violation. If the issue is related to a specific content, take the following steps. Delete or edit content. If you receive the violation for a post or video, consider removing or editing the content to align with Instagram's guidelines, and then appeal the decision. If you believe the violation was a mistake, you can submit an appeal. Go to Settings and Privacy, Account, and then Account Status. Review the flagged content and select Appeal if applicable. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.